Moya Brennan got her start in the small Irish town of Donegal. Well, from there, she and her siblings formed Clannad, a band that has changed the way that Celtic music has been heard. Moya is widely considered to be the first lady of Celtic music, and her new album is Heartstrings. She's with us along with harpist Cormac de Barra. Good to see both of you this morning.
It's wonderful to be here.
I'll tell you, Moya, the harp. I have never seen so many harps and so many things, from police caps to bottles of Guinness. Why is the harp so special to Ireland?
Well, it is the Irish emblem for the country, really, and it's the only country in the world that has a musical instrument as its emblem. So it's quite amazing in that way. You do see it everywhere, don't you?
And why is this harp different than the harps we hear back in the United States?
Well, mainly they're concert harps that you see in orchestras with pedals and that, and these are sort of, well, first of all, easier to carry around.
That's right, so true.
But it's just that years ago, the bards in Ireland used to travel around, and so they even had smaller harps on this, but there's such a variety of different harps. You know?
When you were with Clannad, were
Yes.
so credited with Celtic music, bringing Celtic music to the forefront.
Yes.
What made it, why did you guys break out and be able to bring this out there?
I think it had a lot to do with the Gaelic language, where we come from in Donegal as well, but it's just the sound that's now copied. I mean, it was copied on the Titanic or in Riverdance and that, but it's just, you know, I suppose the harmonies and things that we like.
Could we hear a little with you and Cormac?
We're definitely here, and we're going to be in America in May.
Oh, great. We'll put that on our website.
Thank you very much.
All righty.
Thank you very much.
And now here's Moya Brennan and Cormac de Barra.
Down by the sunny gardens, my love and I did meet. She passed the sunny gardens with little snow white feet. She bid me to take love easy as the leaves grow on the trees. But I've been young and foolish, with her would not agree.
Moya Brennan, thank you so much, Cormac de Barra.
Thank you.
Pleasure.